Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you're having a lovely day. Over the past few years in this channel, I've been going over how farmers have a lot of the same problems that I do when I'm trying to fix Apple products. When I try to fix Apple products, I can't get access to the parts I need to do my job because Apple will cock-block us from being able to buy what we need from the vendors, and they won't make it available to their own authorized repair centers. Farmers have a very similar problem, as I've gone over in many of my videos. They can buy a $500,000 or $1 million combine, and when they want to replace the $20 or $100 moisture sensor in that combine, they replace it, and the machine won't work. Because you see, you have to have the dealer come out and plug his computer into the tractor and give you permission to continue using the thing that you own that you fix yourself. That is the world that we live in. And dare I say it, I believe that we are currently on the precipice where over the next couple of years, we will genuinely figure out if you will be happy owning nothing. Because if you cannot fix what you own, you don't own it. And if the people who provide our food supply can't fix what they own, well, sucks to be us. This is not a world that I want to live in. And I've been routinely every single day fighting back against that being the world that we live in. As I said, the American Farm Bureau, or as I like to refer to them as, the sworn enemy of the American farmer, they are not supporting these right to repair bills in any states anymore, in spite of the fact that their own constituents voted in favor of it 176 to 1. So as a result, I am supporting these bills in these states with our money from our nonprofit. I don't particularly focus on farm stuff. I fix computers for a living. But if the Farm Bureau and the farming advocacy organizations are not going to step in to help farmers, I will. Unfortunately, I will need a little bit of your help. So in the state of Colorado, there is a bill introduced that would allow that farmer to be able to replace the moisture sensor in their tractor and not have a dealer technician come out and plug his dinky little computer into it to give the farmer permission to use his tractor again once he's fixed it, which I think is a good thing. That bill got out of the House and also very recently just made it out of a committee in the Senate, slid by the skin of its teeth, which is a really cool thing. The lobbyist that I hired in that state seems to be doing a damn good job. But I would be lying if I didn't say that it would be much more helpful for all of us if everybody who watches this channel in the state of Colorado contacted their senator, their governor, and their House representative and told them why this bill is important, particularly in the Senate. It is unfortunate, but at this point in time, this has become a little annoying little partisan politics thing where Democrats supported it in the House, therefore Republicans must oppose it in the Senate because that's the way we do politics in 2023. It is high school on steroids and everybody hates each other. And one of the things I hope doesn't happen here is because Party A championed it, Party B craps on it, because that would be bad for all of us. In my opinion, it will be best if farmers have the ability to have an easier life and the ability to fix their equipment quickly and efficiently when they are doing their work. If a farmer is down for 1 week or 2 weeks because he has to wait for some dinkus from the dealer to come by to plug his computer into his tractor to make the thing that he fixed on his own properly work again, that is bad for the American food supply, and dare I say it, that's probably bad for all Americans. But above all, it sets the precedent, if this fails here, that we will not own anything and we will be happy. That when you fix something and you successfully fix it, you need the permission of the manufacturer after paying them to have it work again, even if you fixed it yourself with your own parts. And that is not a world that I want to live in. If you want to join me in helping push back against this future, please, 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 take a look at the links down below. Contact your senator. Contact your House representative. Contact your governor. And tell them why this matters, particularly those in the Colorado State Senate. That's it for today. And as always, I hope you learned something. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now. Oh, and if you're watching this, fuck you, Farm Bureau. Fuck you for not supporting your own constituents. Fuck you for putting a computer repair person in the position to have to support your constituents because you don't.